Hey everyone, do you ever wonder if all the effort, sacrifice, and hard work will actually pay off? I used to ask myself the same question. Let me tell you a quick story. When I first started this journey, I didn't have all the answers. I faced doubt, fear, and uncertainty, just like many of you might be feeling right now. But I held on to one thing: faith that it would work if I stayed consistent. Fast forward to today, and I've achieved things I only used to dream about. Whether it's spending more time with my family, having more control over my schedule, or simply feeling like I'm finally living the life I want. It all became possible because I stuck with it. Here's what I've learned: every step forward is proof that the journey works. Even small wins build momentum. And if I can do it, so can you. If you're ready to see what's possible for you, let's connect. Click the link below to start your own journey with me. Don't wait for someday, your proof starts today.